People, this is my third review of the day, and I am about to review this movie called QSQT, that is Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, which was pretty much like it's a film that launched Juhi Chawla pretty much. I mean, no, actually she had come into the industry with a film called Sultanate or something with the with Shashi Kapoor's son Karan Kapoor. I think that's what I read in an interview. But Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak gave to the Hindi film industry a cute pairing like Amir Khan and Juhi Chawla, which honestly, after them, I've yet to see a more. Of course, Shah Rukh and Kajol were cute in their own way, but for me, Amir and Juhi, that combination, and according to astrology, also they are like very well matched, Scorpio and Piscean or whatever. Invariably, these 5-9 vibration, it's called, when they have the same element. It's Scorpio and Piscean are both water signs. So, you know, people have written a book, like it's called When a Lawyer Falls in Love. So basically, there's a lot of this astrology written in the book. So, in case, you can find my book on Amazon. So it sold over 10,000 copies. So that was good. Okay, so why am I sidetracking? Yeah, the thing is, this movie, when I think of the film Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, though it was loosely based on the typical Romeo Juliet, William Shakespeare's Romeo Juliet. And, but for me, it is, besides the fresh pairing, it was just the music, yeah, of the film. I mean, there's that song, Papa कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. There's certain songs, once you start singing, you want to keep humming it. And of course, and then there's so many. Basically, the music of this particular film was at another level, yeah, altogether. So do watch it, people. And this is a film that I think every Indian who's ever called themselves a Hindi movie buff has watched it. So sometimes I think my reviews are very pointless because everybody must have watched all these films, but it's just sometimes nice, there are films that we think we watched but we haven't really. Like, for instance, there's this film called Chariots of Fire, an English film. The tune, the theme of the movie, the theme song used to be played all the time during our sports day, like all the like 14 years that I studied in school, like LKG, upper KG till my 12th. But I haven't yet watched the movie, yeah. And I remember my mom saying this is from this movie, and now my mom is no more, but I still haven't watched the movie. So it's something like that about this film also. The music is so good that it lives on, it's timeless. So 5-star rating again. And though honestly, it since the movie ends with, how does Romeo Juliet end, with the couple dying, right? So it's the same thing here. So I think that has a very fatalistic touch, and the present generation, I mean, probably it worked in the 80s or the 90s, late 80s and 90s when it was released, but now a young couple giving up their lives for the sake of their love is too idealistic, and it shouldn't be encouraged. Yeah, I mean, that's not love, that's like, I don't know, foolishness. So that's my only minor grouse against the film, but otherwise, on the whole, a good watch. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.